Hello everyone, Ashwini here. So now we will discuss to write a C program to convert the given in-pitch expression to its post-pitch expression. So now see the first introduction of in-pitch expression and post-pitch expression. Okay. So one of the application of stack is in the conversion of arithmetic expression in high-level programming languages into machine-readable form. As our computer system can only understand and work on binary languages, it assumes that an arithmetic operation can take place in two operand only. For example, a plus b, c into d, or d multiplied by a, etc. But in our usual form, an arithmetic expression may consist of more than one operator and two operand. For example, a plus b into c of d divided by j plus d. Okay, these complex arithmetic operations can be converted into Polish notation using stack, which then can be executed in two operands and an operator form. Okay, so first in pitch expression, it follow the scheme of operand, then operator, and last operand. Okay, that is an operator is preceded and succeeded by an operand. Such as expression is termed in fixed expression, for example a plus b. Then next postfix expression. It follows the scheme of operand, then operand, and last operator. That is, an operator is succeeded by both the operand. For example, AB plus. Okay. So algorithm to convert infix to postfix expression. Okay. Let x is an arithmetic expression written in infix notation. This algorithm finds the equivalent postfix expression y. So first step, push on stack and add to end of x. Then second step, scan x from left to right and repeat step 3 to 6 for each element of x until the stack is empty. Third step, if an operand is uncounted, add it to y. Then next, if a left parenthesis is encountered, push in onto stack. Then next, if an operator is encountered, then first repeatedly pop from stack and add to y each operator on the top of stack, which has the same precedence as or higher precedence than operator. Then next, add operator to stack and end of if. Okay. Then next step, if a right parenthesis is encountered, then so first repeatedly pop from stack and add to y each operator on the top of stack until a left parenthesis is encountered. Then next, remove the left parenthesis end of if. Okay, last end. So then next we see this program convert in fixed expression to postfix expression. This program assume that there are 5 operators. Okay, in pitch expression, an operand can be of single digit only. This program will not work for fraction numbers. Further, this program does not check whether in pitch expression is valid or not in term of number of operator and operands. Okay, so first has include stdio.h and then has include stdio.h library. Okay, so for exit purpose, and next include st type, c type for each digit character. Okay, then next the character stack is declared here the global variable because stack and is used by more than one functions. Okay, then void push character define push operation. char pop, define pop operation. Then next, underflow may occur for invalid expression where and and uh, and are not matched. Define functions. Define function that is used to determine whether any symbol is a operator or not, that is symbol is operand. This function return 1 if symbol is operator, else return 0. Then next, this define function that is used to assign precedence to operator here denotes exponent operator, and in this function we assume that higher integer value means higher precedence. Then if symbol exponent operator highest precedence. Then next, else if symbol equal to plus lowest precedence. Next, void infix to postfix. Void infix to postfix. This add to infix expression. Okay, then next, initialize before loop. In this, initialize the before loop, and then next, while atom run loop till end of infix expression. Then next, postfix expression add operand symbol to postfix expression. Means symbol is this is in this means symbol is a operator. Postfix expression this so pop all higher precedence operator. This is a so pop all higher precedence integer, and then next x pop and add them to postfix expression. Then next, because just above while loop will terminate, we have operand one extra time for which condition fails and loop terminates, so that one. Then next, push item push current operator symbol onto stack. Then next, if current symbol is then x pop and keep popping until, and this encountered. Okay, this if current symbol is neither operand not or nor and nor. This is a in this it is a illegal symbol. This go to next symbol to infix expression. While loop in here in this year. Okay. Then next, invalid infix expression, it is the illegal symbol. In this, it is a legal symbols also. Then next, this add a sentinel else puts function will print entire postfix array up to size. Next, main function begins. Start a main function begins. Declare infix string and postfix string. Why this? Why we ask the user to enter infix expression in parentheses what change are required in program 2, and then next get right of this restriction since it is not an in algorithm. Okay, so this is a program of infix expression to its postfix expression. Thank you.